Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how can you reorder the columns of Pandas DataFrame in a very easy way. Let's have a quick look at it. So I'm just reading one CSV file which is having these three rows and columns. So this you can see in my terminal window, student name, degree and diploma. Now let's say you want to reorder this column in such a way that output should show you student name, diploma and then degree. So how can you do that? So one of the cumbersome way to achieve this is by taking the column and by going the index. So what I mean with that is, let's say data frame dot columns, and you just change it to convert it to list, and then you can say what all columns you want. So let's say you want your diploma column to come first, so you can say -1 and then colon. Similarly, if you want the rest of the columns, so you can see that then you join all the columns from starting till -1. So this way you can append all the columns whatever you have, but we are not going to go with this way because it is very tedious and requires multiple lines of code. So rather than doing this, what we can do is you just need to say data frame name. You can create new data frame or you can reuse the existing one, and inside this you need to define a list with all the column names how you want. So first you want student name, so you can say student name. Then you can define next column as diploma, so let's say diploma, and then you can say degree. Now doing this, let's go ahead and say print data frame. So doing this will reorder your columns, and here you can see. So earlier the column sequence was student name, degree and diploma, but after this change your column sequence is student name, diploma and then degree. So this is how you can shuffle your columns, by tapping this exit sequence over here. So rather than taking the list of columns and then using the index of those columns, you can just do it if your column list is very small. So I hope you enjoyed the short video, and thanks for watching.